G'day, just going to be making a quick video on installing the Provent 200 oil catch can into the MQ Mitsubishi Triton. Alrighty, tools that I'm using for this install are a 13mm and an 8mm spanner, a 12mm ratchet spanner, a 10mm socket, and a flathead screwdriver. Okay, first step, installing the catch can. You're going to want to undo the take off the engine cover. You have 3 bolts here. Okay, so once we have our engine cover off, it exposes our pipe that we are replacing right here. Apologies for this focus, it's not grabbing it very well. But yeah, replacing this pipe here and going to be putting a new pipe on, essentially with the Provent right in the middle. Okay, so our next step is going to be removing this hose. There's a clip just here and a clip also just here. I'm going to use a set of multi-grips just to get those off. Okay, so I've moved our clips off from up here and here. The hose should just simply come away. Just a tip, probably do this with a cold engine. This is bloody hot. Okay, yep. All right, so we've got our hose removed here. Just set it down somewhere out of the way. This particular Triton has only 600 kilometers on it. However, if I just stick my finger in here, it's a little bit hard to tell, but there is already oil coating this hose. Alrighty, so next step to be conducted is just to attach this drain hose onto the bottom of your Provent. Supplied with a little hose clamp, and then also to the other end of your drain hose, just a little tap. Also comes with a little hose clamp here. Also, while you have the Provent out, comes with this little mounting bracket here. Has a bolt here and a bolt on this side. Just fix this up, get it ready for mounting onto the car. Okay, from here, we're going to be undoing this nut. I don't know if you can see this nut just here, and that is where our Provent mount is going to attach onto. Okay, as you can see, I've just chucked my Provent with its mount back onto that nut where we where we just took the nut off before. Just trying to get a good shot there. Okay, so your next step, chuck your nut back onto there, and then you're going to want to feed your drain hose down, find a path down into the wheel arch there, just zip tie on, make it accessible as well so you have a good drainage point. Alrighty, so catch can fully installed now. The mount that's supplied holds it really nice and sturdy, and the filter itself actually looks quite like it's meant to actually already be there. I've got my drain hose just running down here into the wheel arch, and then I've got just a couple of cable ties securing it in place on the way down, and then I've just got my tap on the side of my chassis rail there, so it's nice and easy to get to for when I have to drain it. Alright, next step is going to be putting our inlet and outlet hose back on to the existing points. Alrighty guys, so as you can see here, I've just test fitted up my hoses. We've got my inlet hose going into the Provent, and we have the outlet going back into the air intake. I suggest just test fit everything first before you go ahead and do up the clamps. So I'm just going to go ahead and do up all the clamps now, make sure it fits properly. Alrighty. Everything has been test fitted. I was happy with it. I've gone ahead and tightened everything up. Our hose clamps here, back onto the Provent, another clamp there, and back, fourth clamp just here. From here, you can just go ahead, chuck your engine cover back on. Alrighty guys, that is it. A little bit of a review. I have had in my previous car, being a Nissan Patrol, I've tried the cheaper stainless steel eBay ones. I had one, and believe it or not, it had steel wool used as a filter. Come doing an oil change, bottom of my pan, what do you find? A whole bunch of steel wool. Yes, they did capture some oil, but nowhere near as much as the Provent that I later installed. It's an excellent bit of gear. It looks completely factory. All the hoses are high quality, and the kit that I got was from Western Filters. They're already molded to simply hook straight up. Engine cover goes back on. It just looks real neat. Nice and easy to get the top of your filter off if you had to do a filter replacement. By far, in my opinion, I think the best oil catch can out that you can get. I'm not a mechanic, so don't take my word as gospel, but I highly recommend it. The kit from Western Filters also comes with a very good set of instructions. I would estimate all up this install took me 15 minutes. Alrighty guys, good luck, hope you enjoyed the review.